Alrighty, hello. Now we're going to have a look at some tools we can use in Minecraft. Okay, so first tool I'm going to go to is I'm going to open up my inventory. I'm in a flat world, as you can see. Now the first tool I'm going to get here, we've got two really important ones, is the camera. And the next one here is your portfolio. Okay, these are two very important pieces of information, and the other one here is a board. Right, boards are like signs, they're just bigger. Now let's just say I'm going to ask you to build something in Minecraft. Let's just say I want to build, just really quickly, a house. So pop that there, pop that there, pop that there, pop that there. Right, and I'm just going to build like a nice, quick 2D house. There's my agent. Remember I said last lesson, if it's there, you won't be able to get rid of it. So just a quick little building there. Now let's just say, for example, I wanted you to take a picture of that. So you build something, you take a picture of it. Done. And you can see it goes as a picture there. Now I'm then can put down a board. So if I wanted to write something here saying, this is my 2D model of a house. I used 9 blocks. Right, there is a fence in front of it. Wowzers. Okay. You can lock it so no one else can change it. So if you want to write something and you've got people in your world, you can lock it so people can't change it like that. But I'm going to keep it unlocked. What? Unlocked here. Because I'm the only one here. Okay, and it's there. So let's just say I write that down and I want to take a picture of it. Take a picture. I've actually got to step back a little bit. Oh no! Oh no! Oh, here's what I'll do. I'll point a little bit above. Oh, I'll point a little bit below. Yep, there I go. Oh, nice, sorry. Okay, so if you hold shift and right click, so if you notice if I'm standing up, so you can see the man in the corner there, right? So if I hold right click here, it brings it up. If I hold shift and right click, right, I can take the picture. So why are you thinking, why am I doing this? Well, let's just say I give you a task where I want you to calculate the area of this shape here. Right, and I want you to then submit it. So we've got that shape, you can count the blocks. So 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter, 4 meter, 8 meters squared. Right, so I'm going to place that there. 8 meters squared. Now if you hold shift and 6, that's how you do the square button. Right, so I asked you to do that. So you'd take a picture of, you know, the shape. Oh. And you would take a picture of the board, and you might have seen it there, is that if you place it on the floor, it will actually be a camera there, and you can right click it again, and it will take a picture of you. See, it's like fizzling. Yeah, took a picture of me. Now, the reason why I'm showing you this is you do that. This is where your portfolio comes in. You right click your portfolio, and notice here it's got all of the pictures that I've taken. Wow, look at that beauty. Look at that, all that beautiful work. Look at that, just beauty. Can add a caption here. Look at that beast. Calculations galore. There you go. Alright. And you can continue through, and you can even see this here, record yourself. Oh, I think it's a recording. I'm going to cancel that because I'm not sure. Anyway, now the next important button here is the export portfolio. What this means is you can export your portfolio and it comes up as a PDF. Right? So I'm going to save this in my documents here. Okay. I'll save that here. Now, I'm hoping this will show up. It probably won't, but you can then go into your documents. You can find wherever it was that you saved the item, and it will come up as a PDF. And then from there, right, you will be able to upload it onto Connect. Okay, so it comes up as a nice, like, cool little document here that you can upload onto Connect. The reason why I'm going through this is that I might, in these weeks here, ask you to do things on Connect, and it's good for you to know. Alrighty, so that's how we can use Minecraft in Connect and how you can upload your videos. Thank you for your time. See you later, alligators.